A human sneeze can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, outpacing the world's fastest roller coaster, which tops out at around 149 miles per hour but takes longer to reach that speed. Picture the astonishing force and velocity packed into that tiny burst of air, launching droplets across the room in an instant. This powerful gust is not just a spectacle but a fascinating demonstration of our body's capabilities, designed to expel irritants with impressive speed. Next time you're on a thrill ride, remember that the human body can generate its own kind of roller coaster experience, albeit a much shorter one, right in the midst of a sneeze.